Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for dissecting the world of identity protection services. Today, we're delving into the ID Shield 3 Bureau Monitoring Plan, a budget-friendly option that promises comprehensive protection against identity theft, online dangers, and more. Stick around as we unravel its features and help you decide if it's the right fit for you. ID Shield's 3 Bureau Monitoring Plan is all about affordability without compromising on security. Let's dive into its offerings and see how it stacks up. For those keen on tracking their credit scores, ID Shield's got you covered with monthly TransUnion Vantage Score reports. While not as widely recognized as FICO scores, these reports offer a quick overview of your credit health. ID Shield diligently scans the dark web for traces of your personal information, such as your social security number and credit card details. It also keeps an eye on payday loan companies, court records, and social media accounts for signs of identity misuse. However, it doesn't cover property title or address changes. ID Shield's knowledgeable representatives are ready to assist you with credit and online concerns. They can help you adjust your protection settings to strike the right balance between security and convenience. The plan includes up to $1 million in identity theft insurance, covering monetary losses and documentation recovery. It also aids in cases where you need time off work or require travel reimbursement due to identity-related issues. ID Shield's user interface is functional, with complete alerts for various situations. However, identity alerts are placed in the second row of boxes, lacking the immediate visibility found in some competitors' interfaces. Setting up ID Shield is a streamlined process. After selecting your plan and providing necessary information, you're guided through profile completion, challenge inquiries, and personal details entry. Though it may take a few hours, the company is making strides to enhance this process. ID Shield's interface is functional and efficient. The overview page provides a comprehensive snapshot of your protection status, while the mobile app offers a brighter, more colorful design with quick access to alerts and support. To cancel your subscription, you can call or email ID Shield support. However, keep in mind that there's no online cancellation option. Wrapping it up, ID Shield's 3 Bureau Monitoring Plan is an affordable option packed with credit monitoring, identity protection, and more. It might lack some advanced features, but it's a great value for preserving your online identity. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the ID Shield 3 Bureau Monitoring Plan. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful tech reviews. Until next time, stay secure and stay informed.